This video will show you how to install your new LED smart light bulb using step-by-step instructions. Remember, if you need any help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. To install and connect your 60-watt LED smart light bulb to your smart home app, you need to first insert the light bulb into the desired light socket or lamp. Then, log into your smart home app. Click on the menu button in the top left corner. Select Add Device. Choose Lighting and Appliance Control. Select the Jasco and Brighton Smart LED bulb and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. Trigger the light bulb by turning it off, then on. The light bulb will flash twice once it's successfully added. Remember, if the light switch is turned off, the smart bulb will be disconnected. That's why it comes with a special plastic clip included in the package. Use this clip to disable the light switch as shown. Leave the socket or lamp turned on in order to remotely control the device from your app, control panel, or web portal. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your LED smart light bulb.